Down right. We'll be the recon squad.
Alright, so this is part 3 of Operation Spartan Shield. We've split into 2 squads. One squad's going down to the right in the lower part of the field, and our squad is going to the left. And we're basically trying to corral the enemy. The objective is to hunt down and capture Osama bin Laden. The enemy has been spotted heading towards what we call the garbage pile area, I guess. And basically we're trying to corral them there.
There's 2 ponds down there between us. That's one pond. The other pond's on the left side here. So we need to find Osama.
Our other squad had eyes on the enemy, but the enemy retreated and pushed back into the junkyard area. We have had no contacts, but we're creeping up along, just clearing, and slowly we're going to rendezvous with our other squad and make our push at the enemy.
So they're probably watching when we come down here.
Awkward.
This path goes down and it curves. There's another pond right here. And as it goes out, there's another road that goes beside this pond and goes back. This is in play. Back this way. They've probably moved him. We call it the junkyard.
My squad is split up. Some of them are going to the left of this pond, and I'm going to rendezvous on the right side with our other squad, which you saw in the distance there in the sand pit.
Take the raft across. That'd be hilarious. Okay, that looks like a guy right there.
I just noticed an enemy across the pond.
Straight on?
See the white building?
Yeah.
Oh, right down to the left of it. You see it. See him moving there?
Oh, there we go. Yeah. That's not where I thought he was.
That's all good.
Good eyes.
Thank you. Yeah. Oh, good. That was.
I just foiled an enemy's ambush.
That worked out for us.
Get over there quick.
That worked out really good, actually. He was going to ambush our buddies.
At this point here, we've corralled the enemy, we've cut them off from any escape, and we are about to go in and clear them out.
Is he down? He's down. Move up. Yeah. We'll go. Okay. Right gun. I got him. I got that guy on your left, guys.
I'm yelling at the teammates that we're coming on the left side of the pond.
I'll watch your back, gunner. Yeah. Nice shot. Good job.
Clear that wood!
So this was actually a diversion by the enemy. Osama wasn't over here. The other squad ended up capturing him on the other side of the field not long after this. So we did win for the day, and that was Operation Spartan Shield. Thanks for watching.